Bitcoin is the oldest cryptocurrency in the market. A cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin, eliminates the need for a third party to be involved in financial transactions by acting as money and a means of payment independent of any one person, group, or entity. It is available for purchase on numerous platforms and is given to blockchain miners as compensation for their efforts in verifying transactions. By utilizing the alias Satoshi Nakamoto, an unidentified developer or group of developers presented Bitcoin to the general public in 2009. Since then, it has grown to be the most well-known cryptocurrency worldwide. Numerous additional cryptocurrencies have been developed as a result of its popularity. These rivals either want to displace it as a means of payment or are employed in other blockchains and cutting-edge financial technology as utility or security tokens. Thank you for watching Diversified Streams, your go-to YouTube channel for all things crypto and finance. Be sure to check out our community post about these subjects. We are curious to know your opinions on these matters. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the latest news and tips related to crypto. And make sure to keep your notifications on so you'll be updated with our latest videos. We frequently post so you wouldn't want to miss them. In today's video, we will be talking about how you can buy Bitcoin. It is one of the most powerful and highly valued cryptocurrencies in the market. Hence, a lot of people want to know how you can buy it. With that in mind, I am going to teach you how you can buy Bitcoin. Let us start now. There are people who are skeptical about Bitcoin because it sounds complicated. However, Bitcoin is not. There are lots of people who consider Bitcoin as the future money. As of now, it can still be considered as an opportunity if we invest in Bitcoin because a lot of financial institutions and big companies are getting into it. Bitcoin works in an algorithm. Every 10 minutes, it creates a new Bitcoin. There are miners around the world who are trying to mine for it. Bitcoin's value depends on the trust and legitimacy that people give it. People trust that Bitcoin will allow them to buy goods and services. It is the same as trusting that when we pay fiat money, the store would give us our purchases. Now, people are lured by Bitcoin because when you buy and sell it, all transactions are recorded instantly in Bitcoin's vast network. The decentralized system of Bitcoin allows it to be very safe. There are thousands of computers who can verify a specific transaction. Aside from that, people are really attracted to Bitcoin because it provides direct person-to-person transactions. What does it mean? It simply means that all middlemen are eliminated in the equation. People can send payments directly to the sellers. It saves all parties time, and it also saves them money, as they do not need to pay any middleman anymore. For example, you use a bank when paying using PayPal. These banks charge you a little bit for any transactions that you make. They are taking a cut of your money, which makes you worse off in the process. Bitcoin is not like that. They do not want your transactions to be regulated, so they take the middleman out of the equation. Aside from that, they reflect real-time payments. You will not need to wait to get your money. Bitcoin is not controlled by anyone as it is very decentralized. Instead, Bitcoin is controlled by the whole community, which consists of millions and millions of people. Meaning, you cannot be manipulated as there are lots of people who are securing it whether they are aware or not. Now, how or why do I say that Bitcoin is an opportunity? Well, do you remember when Apple products started to boom and to take over the market in the past decades? Imagine if you invested in it in 2006, when it is still relatively unknown compared to the established competitors. You would be a billionaire now if you took your chances during that time. If we just took our time to study this unknown tech company, then we might be billionaires already. If we just take the opportunity that there is, then we can gain a lot. Bitcoin is just like that. It is an opportunity that will allow you to gain profits in the future. You may make a lot of money if you invest in Bitcoin properly. For example, Bitcoin in July 2010 was only worth 8 cents. If you were already an investor during that time that saw its potential and possible market value in the future, then you surely would invest all your savings and money in it. A few years later, and that 8-cent Bitcoin is now worth $4,000. If you think about it, investing $100 in 2010 would allow you to have $75 million now. Bitcoin is a really great opportunity to increase your earning potential. Now, the value of Bitcoin can increase by as much as $250,000 per coin. A lot of respectable people are saying that Bitcoin is still in its infancy stage, so it will still be improved and worth much more in the years to come. A lot of people are still trying to navigate the ins and outs of Bitcoin. Now that I have emphasized the value of Bitcoin, I want to ask whether you knew about these things before, or is it the first time that you are exposed to this truth? How does it make you feel? Would you take this precious opportunity? Will you let it pass because it still sounds sketchy? Let us know what you think by sharing your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We greatly appreciate it, and you will also be a part of our growing community. At this point, I will teach you how to purchase Bitcoin. It is actually very easy to purchase if you think about it. You just need a virtual wallet where you can store your Bitcoins. We already have a video about how you can create your own wallet, so make sure to check out that amazing video. As you know, there are lots of ways to store and to keep your Bitcoin. Some of them pose more risk, while some of them are more accessible. However, one of the most accessible and the most secure ways to store your Bitcoin is through Coinbase. In the description section, we placed a link to the Coinbase site, so make sure to check it out. Now, Coinbase is a secure way of storing your Bitcoin because of their verification systems. They do not just ask you once about the transactions that you are committing. They actually have a lot of procedures to ensure that the transactions that you are doing are legitimate. They do many security checks. They need to verify first everything that you would do in your wallet. Aside from that, depositing and taking out money from their vault feature would allow you to verify its transactions for 2 days before they authorize it. Coinbase is really thorough. They do not want people to get scammed on their system. There are many coins available. But in this video, we will focus on Bitcoin because it is continuously going up. The trend looks great for Bitcoin. To have a Coinbase account, you need to connect your bank account to it. Then, you need to transfer fiat money into Coinbase, meaning you need to transfer your current money into your Coinbase account. Now, your Coinbase account will reflect your fiat currency amount that is already inside your account. For example, you move $1,000 to your Coinbase account. Then, it will show the amount that you have transferred to your account, meaning they already accounted and received the money that you sent. This money that you have on your account will be used to purchase Bitcoin. It is really easy to do, as you can simply go to buy and sell your crypto coins. Let us get to buying Bitcoin. You can simply enter the amount of US dollars that you want to use in purchasing Bitcoin. Then, it will show you the amount of Bitcoin that you can purchase. The other way to do it is to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy. Then it will show you its amount in US dollars. You can do it either way. Once you are done, simply press the blue button which says Preview Buy. Then click the Buy Now button once you verified the information. You will be charged a small fee, but that's okay as it is used to ensure that your account will remain safe. Coinbase is a great starter on-ramp to buy from as it is easy, accessible, and safe. Try to buy your own Bitcoin because it is really easy. But if you have questions, then feel free to comment it down below. If you are finding this video informative, make sure to press the like button and subscribe to our account for more videos. Once you have bought your Bitcoin, your account will reflect it. It will say that you currently have this amount of Bitcoin. Using Coinbase, you can easily sell Bitcoin or use it to buy other products online. There are a lot of things that you can do with your Bitcoin, so make sure to explore it while you are here. Now, I have a strategy that I really like. It is called the buy and hold strategy, where I buy Bitcoin now. Then, I let it sit in my account and forget it, or hodl, as it is called sometimes. If you want to trade more often, I want to show you the trend again. As you can see, the trend in the long run is just going up and up. You can easily sell your Bitcoin tomorrow if the price is higher. However, the return will just be a small amount. However, you can try to earn more by looking at the patterns. You can look for patterns to see when it is most likely for Bitcoin to increase its value. Then you can sell your Bitcoin the moment you see that the value already increased as you have predicted. Using this same graph and trend, you will also know when it is the best time to buy Bitcoin. You can try to predict when it would lower its price and purchase it when it happens. You just need to wait for the perfect time to buy and sell your Bitcoin. Sometimes you need to wait for a long time before you can sell your Bitcoin for a high value. Sometimes you only need to wait a few days to sell it. There are moments when you are going to miss the mark, but do not worry as the value of Bitcoin will always fluctuate. You will still get another chance to buy it at a lower price. There are other ways to make money using Bitcoin. You can easily look at the momentum. For example, the market seems to be on a streak of increasing its value for the last week. Then wait until a breakout happens. Once it happens, then you can buy it at a lower price. Then of course, you can sell it again once the value of a Bitcoin increases. It has worked really well for a lot of people, so maybe it would also work well for you. The final reminder that I have for you is to invest only what you can lose. You can easily buy Bitcoin in fractions. It is okay. If you have the money, you can buy one whole Bitcoin. However, never sacrifice other things that matter dearly. The market is volatile. You might lose it if you do not pay attention and strategize well. Congratulations! Now you know how to buy your own Bitcoin. Please check out our other video on how to create a safe wallet for it. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. As always, if you did, please show us some love and support by giving this video a big thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. And make sure to keep your notifications on so you will be updated whenever we post new videos on all things related to crypto. This has been Diversified Streams. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you in our next video.